Now I will show you what you need to do if you want that your virtual form will work even if you move them from one folder to another, or if you want to move your work to another machine. Let's create a new folder and move the virtual form definition file and the workbook into it. We need to change the path to the virtual form file and in the connection string to the database file. We will fast forward this. Don't worry, I will give you the code that we are using here so that you can examine it in detail what I'm doing. But in short, we will filter the string variables and split them into multiple rows to get a better view. And we replace the fixed path to the folder of our Excel workbook with the VBA function that returns the folder path where our workbook currently is located so that we can move it around without a fear. Now let's test it. If we want to distribute or give somebody else this workbook, we will leave him a little message that he needs to install the Virtual Forms framework to be able to run this workbook. Don't worry, in the installation there are two components. One is the Virtual Form control that can be used for free, and a designer that if a user is not having a license, it will run for 14 days. But your work will run also after these 14 days. We don't need to distribute the Virtual Form Designer project file, but if we change the path, it will be a good idea to also update the path in our Virtual Form Designer project. Oh, and one more tip, if you want to earn some money, regardless if you will create applications with virtual forms for selling or for giving them as free, you can join our affiliate program. It is free. And you will get some links that you can put on your web page or in your workbook as a hyperlink, for example, created with virtual forms. And then, when someone clicks on this link from their machine and in the near future, or more precisely within 120 days, he buys the virtual form framework, you will get a 25% of this sale.